Depositing and withdrawing money on KINGGAME.io. Welcome back to KINGGAME.io. In the previous video, I helped you create and verify your account. In this video, I will show you how to deposit and withdraw money easily. To play games, you need to deposit money to your account. To do that, click Deposit. Here, you can choose Ethereum, ERC20-USDT, or TRC20-USDT to deposit. Now I will show you how to deposit TRC20-USDT. First, I choose TRC20-USDT. The website will automatically give me a wallet address. I copy this wallet address and move to my TRC20-USDT wallet. Fill the copied wallet address in, choose a type of coin, add the number, then click Send. You need to wait some minutes until money is sent to your account on KINGGAME.io. To withdraw money on KINGGAME.io, you need to play Baccarat of two game suppliers, namely Evolution and Izugi, at least twice. To withdraw money, click tab Funds. Click Withdraw. You enter your wallet address and the amount of USDT. Fill in the code of 2FA you created before. Click Request. You'll need to wait some minutes until your request is accepted. So, I've shown you how to deposit and withdraw money on KINGGAME.io. We wish you interesting moments on KINGGAME.io. Goodbye, and see you again.